I'm taking a movie of it.
Dude, good idea. Oh my god.
I just thought of that. Oh, this is so tight as a movie.
Yeah, it is. I didn't zoom it.
Mine won't zoom once I'm in the movie.
Yeah. What's your battery under that? Oh. No!
Oh, yes!
Oh!
Oh, this is all on camera.
No, come on! Mine just died! Shit! Bro, you don't think amazing. You got better than they have in America.
Yeah, dude.
Of a smiley face pump, I'd be so amazing. Oh my god!
First!
Dude! Oh! It's missing all of it.
Oh, dude, I'm doing this all on camera.
A fucking battery, dude. My battery's starting to die. It's tight as hell, dude.
Oh, this is beautiful. I'm gonna need to buy a new memory card.
Me too. This is like killing my memory.
Are you thinking of the movie too?
Yeah.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Dude, where's my
It's
battery?
like a testicle. Oh shit, mine records sound too. Oh, this is so fucking tight, dude. Watch that. Where'd they go?
That it? No, this can't be it.
No, that can't be it. That was an awesome grand finale, but it can't be it.
Yeah, they're gonna have like...
They have like a 5-minute...
No! Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
There's a little confetti.
It's a little confetti before the storm, bitch.
Yes. Don't say bitch on the camera. Your mom's gonna be watching this.
I already said fuck.
Oh, no, you just said fuck again.
My mom says fuck, dude. I picked up fucking kindergarten. I went to kindergarten and told the teacher to go fuck herself.
Yes, I got batteries. Look, you missed most of it. Sparkles.
Oh, yes. Oh!
Right when I can't get to.
Oh.
You're lucky.
Just for you first.
That was it. No, or the car alarm is going off. That's how intense that was.
I think it's done.
Oh, should I stop?
Yeah, I'm stopping. I got like 3 minutes.